From the heart of the Alps to the coast of the North Sea, this is our journey into the hydrogen future. We start our journey in Tyrol at the Green Energy Centre Europe's Living Lab to build a bridge to the north. Our mission, participating in the second General Assembly meeting of the TRIÄRS project. Our destination, Groningen, Netherlands. Driving this hydrogen-powered car proves that emission-free long-distance mobility across Europe is already a reality today. TRIÄRS is establishing the first hydrogen valley in Greece, connecting it with expertise from the North Sea and the Alps. In Groningen, experts from the New Energy Coalition and partners from across Europe meet to define the system design of the future. From the Alpine Living Lab in Innsbruck to the North Sea, we are linking local hydrogen ecosystems into a European backbone. The meeting in Groningen demonstrates that decarbonizing industry and transport can only succeed through strong cross-border partnerships. TRIÄRS and the Green Energy Centre, together for a climate-neutral Europe, be part of the energy transition. Visit us at green-energy-centre.com